What's up, everyone? Today we are going to take a look at St. John's. I don't know about you, but this time change is killing me. No long intro or introduction. Village of St. John's, south of Brownwood and west of Hawkins. And let's get into it. Packers are 7-2. All right, we are going to enter St. John's from where you will enter off of Magasin, turning east. They are starting to work on this area a little bit. I showed in the last video the walls that they were putting in, which is up here on the left. But all this wall on the right that divides this neighborhood from Magasin is all up in this area. And you'll see as we go further into this video that they are working on the entire wall. It's probably easier for them now that they have it in the industrial park. They can just drive it over here and put it right into place. So St. John's is just north of the turnpike and just north of Magasin, south of Lake Okahumpka, which you're going to see here in a minute. And actually it is west of the Continental Country Club, which if you continue to Magasin all the way to Warm Springs Avenue and then you turn north, Country Club runs right along there, Continental Country Club. You can see it there in the background, and then here you can see Lake Okahumpka in the background as well. So this is going to have access to Lake Okahumpka Recreation Center. I talked about that in a couple other videos. Lake Okahumpka Rec Center is going to have the kayaking, boardwalks and all that type of stuff. We did a video on Lake Okahumpka and what it looks like, where the village is going to have access to it. They are working on that area also, the rec center, but there's quite a bit that they did into St. John's recently. I think one of the big parts about St. John's is going to be the connection to Lake Okahumpka with the nature. You can see the trail here that goes all along the outside along Lake Okahumpka, and I'm sure you'll see some they're actually working on the trail right there, but I'm sure you'll see some access points to Okahumpka, or at least some of those boardwalks out from here as well. There's going to be a lot of bird watching in this area because of all the different types of birds on the lake. They do offer duck hunting, so if you're looking to move here from up north, or if you're in the villages watching one of these videos, Lake Okahumpka does offer duck hunting. I think the season's coming up here soon. Runs from November into January, they told me, 60 days. You can see each of the home plots here where they're at. And Brownwood is up in the distance. St. John's is relatively close to Brownwood Square. Along with, obviously, you're going to have Lake Okahumpka Rec Center right there. And the Richmond Pitch and Putt. Richmond's between St. John's and Brownwood along Magasin. And this is the part where Lake Okahumpka, where that rec center is coming out. And they're going to have the kayaking and all that nature stuff out here as well. Lake's looking good. This whole area is looking pretty good. Still pretty green. We just got rain for like the last 4 days. With the time change and the weather being dreary, bringing a lot of rain and moisture to the area. Everything's looking pretty solid. Now we're actually spinning, starting to look toward the south. If you look, you can see the Water Lily Bridge there. That's the golf cart bridge that will take you over into DeLuna. And then West DeLuna is also being worked on. Dirt pushed around, I guess I would say, more than anything. And then you can continue to see the home sites That is DeLuna straight over the turnpike there, and the whole Marsh Bend area, which has the trails running east and west all along. That's a really cool area for nature as well. The trails are just there's tons of them that run through there, and you can bike or run or walk or sightsee or ride your golf cart on them. And I think the villages, once they got south of 44, really started thinking about preserving the nature and incorporating that into the housing areas and including some of that. On a video later this week, I'm going to show you the stargazing pad and some of the rec center areas that are going to be down in Sawgrass Grove, which you can actually see Sawgrass Grove somewhat in the distance there. This is going toward the east. Megason runs just to the south and will take you all the way into Sawgrass Grove with the Azell Rec Center, Hawkins, Bradford Chitty Chatty, Case and Hammock, Citrus Grove, all of those areas, along with the new areas that they're building out. It's going to be pretty interesting to see all that stuff. I'm going to leave you with that, as always. Thank you for watching, and I will hope to see you in the next one.